Hello, in this tutorial we're going to use the knife tool and we're going to make custom shapes using the knife tool, extruding vertices, adding faces. I'm going to start with the default cube. We're going to turn it into something more like a Monopoly house. Switch to edit mode and going to use the knife tool, which is over here, and on one side click and then click, and then you press enter, click, click, enter. That'll create some new vertices. Look on the other side, click, 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 enter, and I'll connect these dots up. So each time I click, click, and then press enter. Then if I select some vertices, go back to the regular selection tool, I select a vertice and delete. If I delete that vertice, it takes part of the roof off. Pressing delete or selecting delete. So select delete vertice, delete key vertices, and taking the roof off. To add a face, you just need to select 4 vertices, 3 or 4 vertices, and press F. So if I hold Shift, I can click on these 4 vertices and press F. In the menu, it is so hold Shift, holding Shift, selecting these 4 vertices. It is under Vertex, New Edge or Face, or the shortcut is F. So I've added a new face onto that. I will do some more custom cuts on this. So I use the knife tool. I'm going to click and click, click, press enter, click, 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 press enter, and I want to select this. I want to select this face. Control Z. I want to select this face. So I have face selections on, and I want to delete the face. Next, I want to go back to vertices selecting, and you can extrude faces usually, but you can also extrude edges or vertices. So you can use the extrude tool, which is this one here, and drag out a point, and then you have to move the point to wherever you want it. You can also, or you can press E to extrude. So I'm extruding that point out. I can create whatever shape I want. So I'm going to bring it back a bit, and looking at it from this direction, if I go E, the shortcut is E for extruding. I can extrude down. I'll select that point again, extrude down this way. And I've created some more edges and vertices. Now I can hold Shift, same as I did before. I'm going to select these 3 or 4 vertices at a time and press F. 3 or 4 vertices at a time, press F. Holding Shift, 3 or 4 vertices at a time, F. Holding Shift, 3 or 4, F. And you can create whatever custom shape you want by extruding vertices and adding your own faces after the fact. There we have it, custom shape.